him something?
No, I don't reward this kind of behavior.
Whoa, what the fuck, dude?
Do you love your mama? Do you love your papa?
Yeah, of course I do. Fucking let go, though. You're hurting me.
Whoa. Do you love your mom and dad? Do you love your mom? Feed me your memories. Feed me your soul.
Me and my mom and dad, we were at the beach.
Yes.
It was one of the best days of my life.
I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad.
Leave him alone. He's just a kid.
Don't go far now, son.
What did you do? What did you do?
You started this when you offered me cash! My soul yearns for your memories, boy!